Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you along to experience one of Singapore's most breathtaking traditions, the NDP preview fireworks. And if you're wondering where to catch the next NDP preview fireworks without spending a fortune, then you're in the right place. We reached Kallang Basin Lookout Deck 2 around 6:30 pm, carrying our picnic mat and lots of excitement. After alighting at Nicole Highway Marti, it was a pleasant walk to one of the best spots to enjoy the NDP Preview 1 fireworks this year. As the sun set, the atmosphere became more festive. People gathered together, kids laughed, and everyone eagerly waited for the show to begin. Then at 7:40 pm around, the first spectacular burst of fireworks lit up the sky. It was the moment we had all been waiting for. The vibrant colors reflected across the water, creating a breathtaking scene that left everyone smiling in awe. And just when we thought it couldn't get any better, the grand finale dazzled the skyline with a magnificent display of light, color, and celebration. It was one of those moments that reminded us how beautiful it is when people come together to celebrate as one nation. If you have missed Preview 1, don't worry. You still have another chance to experience the magic at NDP Preview 2 this coming Saturday. Arrive early, pack up your picnic mats, grab a good viewing spot, and get ready for that unforgettable evening beneath Singapore's sparkling skyline. Trust me, it's an experience you don't want to miss.